Think you know the Amazon? Think again. Deep in the rainforest, there's a hidden sanctuary where the whispers of ancient life collide with modern comfort. Welcome to La Selva Eco Lodge and Retreat. But before we venture further, hit that subscribe button for more rare travel insights and hidden wonders. This is just the beginning. La Selva isn't just a lodge, it's a gateway to discovering unique species right at your doorstep. With more than 300,000 insect species alone buzzing just beyond your balcony. Imagine waking to the hum of nature while sipping coffee made from locally foraged beans. Then stepping outside to find creatures and plants you've never even heard of. Here, your room isn't just comfort, it's a front row seat to the rainforest's greatest show. You're surrounded by nature's silent majesty, where every rustle or bird call could be a rare discovery. It's immersive, it's transformative, and guess what? The research happening here influences how we understand and protect the rainforest tomorrow. So if you're craving more than the usual vacation, if you want to awaken your sense of wonder, discover, connect, and let La Selva show you why the Amazon is the ultimate place to experience nature.